Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use DeepSeek. In order to do so, here we are at the DeepSeek website, deepseek.com. And once you're here, you'll see that you can hover your mouse over where it says Get DeepSeek App, and you can scan the QR code to get a direct link to the app where you can download it on your device. Or you can click here where it says Start Now and you can log in. And once you have gone through those steps, then this is the page that you're going to be brought to. From here, you have the option to create a new chat whenever you wish to do that. Here you also see again where we can scan the QR code in order to get the DeepSeek app. And then of course, here you can enter in whatever query you have. Here you can extract text. Appears you can upload docs or images. So text extraction only, but also says upload docs or images. So we're going to go with upload docs and images and just assume that that is what you can do. If for whatever reason you want DeepSeek to analyze something, then you can give that a try. Here you have use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. Let's go ahead and click on that. So that just toggles on and off. And apparently, if you have that on, then you can use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. Okay. And then here you have search the web when necessary. So if we click on that, okay. So then we can toggle that on and off. And then if we just want to search the web, then we can toggle that on and we can use DeepSeek as a search browser as well, which is kind of interesting. So that is something that you can play around with at your leisure, those options. And it is a rather straightforward setup here, nothing too elaborate. It's just straightforward talking to DeepSeek, and then you have your chat history here on the left-hand side. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.